Hey, what's up guys? Sam Acevedo here. Welcome back. Time for another video. Today's video, working on the S2000. The S2000, as you know, is a driver-oriented vehicle, okay? It is a tight fit. Now, one of the things I deal with is having thick thighs, okay? These thick thighs add about an inch of cushion, raising me up. So one of the things I want to do to address this, I purchased the Backyard Special brackets. We'll replace the OEM ones in the S2000 now. So to lower it by 20 mil, so that should be enough to lower my eye line. So what I'll do is I'll take some before pictures, some after pictures. LHT did a great job on showing before and after pictures. I'll try to do the same just to see the difference in my height or my vision in the car. So I'll do that. This should be a fairly easy process. I'm just gonna remove the seat, flip it upside down, remove the bracket, throw the new bracket on, put it back in the car. Should be easy. So for now, I pulled it in backwards just to give me a little bit more space. Top is down, all right, just to make it easier on myself. So let's remove that seat.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.
Okay, so here we have the seat. Just gonna take this off.
Somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Okay, so I finally took the rail off the seat. So this is the Backyard Special box. Now I bought this on, I think it was Evasive. I don't remember how much it cost, but I put the link in the description just so you have it. So let's open this up. I hope I ordered the right one. I know that the passenger side will not work. In the US, that is. The driver's side on our side will work, but the passenger side won't. So if this drops it enough visually, it is gonna look weird because the driver's side will be just that much lower than the passenger side. And for me, I mean, that's gonna drive me crazy, but it is what it is. Gotta say, they did a nice job with the packaging. Instructions. There it is. Okay, so basically we're just gonna do this in reverse. Line everything up. Perfect. That goes there.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Okay, there you have it. The seat is assembled. It's a little rocky, right? Because the feet don't go low enough. So I don't think this is gonna be like a smooth, like it's not gonna run it's not gonna slide smoothly, I don't think, because the pan is gonna hit the floor, unless the floor of the car is lower. So we'll see when I put it in. Before I put it in, I'm gonna clean, now that it's out, I'm gonna clean it. A little bit of leather treatment. I'm also gonna vacuum the inside, then I'll install it, and then we'll see if it made a difference. All right, now that everything is vacuumed and clean, I'm gonna get this ready. So this is the sensor that I took off the other bracket, the OEM bracket. So there's no place to put this on the other bracket, on the backyard bracket. So I'm gonna connect it. Okay, and then once I lay the seat, I'm gonna hide this over here on this side. So let me get the seat. I connected the sensor, now I'm gonna line up the holes. Man, this is tough. Well, there you have it, another video for successful installation. This one of the backyard special lowering bracket. I do feel a difference. I definitely feel lower. I hope that that I can convey those two images, or two different before and after pictures in the video. But the seat definitely is lower. It's hard to move the seat for sure. I have it in the spot that I like it. All I gotta do now is take it out for a ride. It is a little dark out, so I'll wait. Plus there's a lot of salt on the road, and I really don't want to take the car out and all of that. So for now, that'll do it for this video. I still have a lot coming on this car. There's suspension coming on this car. There's some exterior modifications as well. And then I also have the 335 that I gotta do. Guys, do me a favor, hit the like, comment, subscribe. Also, go over to Instagram, follow me on Sam Ace Garage. I'll be posting lots of pictures there, behind the scenes, and just things that are coming up in future videos. All right, guys, that'll be it for this one. Check you guys out in the next one.
From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth. Just focus on yourself first.